Rivers are nature's way of teaching us to keep flowing, no matter the obstacles in our path. Just as a river finds its way to the sea, find your own path to success. A river's journey teaches us that persistence can carve through the hardest of rocks. Rivers don't dwell on what's behind them, they focus on the course ahead. In the journey of life, be a river, flexible, determined, and ever forward. A river doesn't complain about the obstacles it encounters, it simply finds a way around them. Rivers remind us that even in stillness, there is movement beneath the surface. Flow like a river, adapt like water, and you'll overcome any challenge. Let your dreams flow like a river and watch them carve a path to reality. The river never looks back. It keeps flowing, and so should you. Rivers may meander, but they always reach their destination. Be like a river, find your purpose, and let nothing deter you from your course. Life's challenges are the stones that shape the river of your destiny. The river doesn't rush, it simply follows its course with unwavering determination. Rivers are proof that even the smallest drops can make a mighty impact. Flow with the rhythm of life, and you'll discover the beauty in every twist and turn. Rivers may slow down, but they never stop moving forward. A river's strength lies in its ability to flow around obstacles, not against them. Like a river, let your journey inspire those who follow in your wake. The river knows that obstacles are just stepping stones to greatness. Rivers reflect the sky, teaching us to embrace our surroundings as mirrors of our souls. Be as persistent as a river, and you'll carve your own path to success. Let your determination be as unyielding as the river's flow. Rivers remind us that even in chaos, there's beauty. Rivers never fear change, they embrace it and continue their journey. As the river erodes the land, let time and effort shape your character. Like a river, your journey may inspire life to flourish along your banks. Rivers teach us that obstacles are opportunities in disguise. Find your flow, and you'll find your way. A river's beauty lies in its ability to keep moving regardless of what lies ahead. Let your heart flow like a river, leading you to places of joy and fulfillment. In the end, it's not the destination, but the journey, just as it is for a river. Rivers may change course, but they never lose sight of their destination. A river's wisdom lies in its ability to carry away the past and embrace the future. Like a river, let your actions speak louder than words. Rivers are patient teachers. They understand that progress takes time. Embrace the ebb and flow of life, just as a river embraces its tides. Rivers remind us that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Let your determination flow as freely as a river. Rivers are the veins of the earth, carrying life wherever they go. Be like a river, constant in your purpose, adaptable in your approach. Rivers know the power of persistence. They never stop moving forward. Flow with life's currents, and you'll find your way to success. Rivers may encounter rocks, but they find a way to smooth their path. Like a river, let your journey inspire and sustain those around you. Rivers are a reminder that even the smallest effort can lead to grand outcomes. In the face of adversity, be as relentless as a river's flow. Rivers don't look back. They embrace the future with open arms. Find your purpose, and you'll flow through life with grace, just like a river. Rivers are the storytellers of the land, and your journey is your unique tale to tell.